Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, February 8th, 2021. It is Motivational Monday. So our motivation for today, our quote is, people with goals succeed because they know where they are going. So that's why we should always set some goals and be working hard to reach those goals. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we have yogurt and Cinnamonnies. For lunch, we're not sure. For breakfast tomorrow, we have Pop-Tart with cereal, and not sure for lunch tomorrow either. Today for our birthdays, we have Jordan McCarroll and Braden Boswell. Happy birthday. A few announcements. Teachers, please remember to schedule a time for Ms. Gibbs to come do ACAP online tool training with your students. As you learned in the PD last week, it is very important for the students to be familiar with the testing format. Also, if students wear non-uniform outerwear into the building, they are required to take it off and place in the backpacks upon entering their classrooms. Students may wear red, black, or navy blue jackets or sweatshirts with no logos, except the Kate Shepherd logo. So now is a great time in your classrooms to do a uniform check. Make sure that everyone has the proper outerwear. If they are going to be wearing a jacket in your classroom, it's got to be a uniform jacket. No hoodies at all, and make sure everything is following the school dress code. If not, they can place those items in their backpacks for the remainder of the day. A few more announcements. Shepherd has a no cell phone policy for students. This includes smartwatches. Cell phones are not permitted at school, and if a teacher sees you with a cell phone, then they will have to handle that, and we don't want to have to do those sorts of things. So please make sure, students, that you have don't bring your cell phone to school, and make sure it is in a safe place at your house. Tomorrow we have district attorney presentations. Those are going to be for 3rd through 5th grade teachers. You can check the schedule that Miss Pate sent you for the presentations on Tuesdays. Also, teachers, please begin planning for your Dr. Seuss themed March bulletin board. Board should be updated by Friday, February 26th. We have a few important dates this week. Today we have the 4th and 5th grade ACAP training from 3:30 to 4:30 teachers. Tomorrow we have our honor presentations and the DA visits. On the 10th we have grade level planning. After that we have Mardi Gras break, some more PD, PST, Spring Picture Day, and coming up behind that will be our testing window. We have exciting news. These AR superstars have already met their quarter goal. We are starting our 3rd week of the quarter, and these people have gotten a big jump on things and have met their goal. And because of that, Miss Smith will be visiting their classroom with the AR prize cart to give them a goodie this morning. So in Miss Cunningham's class, we have Serenity Pocase and Mackenzie Dixon. In Miss Lee's class, we have Travis Pedway and Sabra Ray. In Miss Waller's class, we have Cohen Doe, Elvis Ramos, Corey Moffitt, and Reagan Zane. In Miss Bolton's class, we have Paris Anderson, Gavin Berry, Malia Crenshaw, Noah Kuehler, Gabriel Doan, and Rowan Miller. In Miss Lankford's class, we have Madeline Shellsworth. In Miss Peralta's class, we have Chloe Fair and Libby Jones. In Miss Washam's class, we have Naomi Howell. Way to go, guys. Lots of prizes going out. If you, too, would like an AR prize, go ahead and be reading those books, taking those tests, and meet that AR goal for this quarter. You can do it. We have a new feature on the morning announcements. We're going to have a word of the day every day. See if you can use your word of the day throughout the day or throughout the week. See if your teacher can catch you using one of our words of the day. So our word of the day today is analog clock. Now, you've seen these all your lives. We have them up in the classrooms, and you may have not even realized that it was called an analog clock. An analog clock is a clock that shows the time by the positions of the hour and minute hand. Okay? We have these all throughout the school. This is opposed to a digital clock, which has the numbers written on it. And so analog clock is what we use on a lot of our standardized tests to answer some time questions. So our word of the day for today is analog clock. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepard.